Hello, DIY lovers! We challenge you with these amazing ideas, so stay tuned to pick the one you like. It'll just take a few minutes to create these ideas. You can use these simple projects for decoration around the house. If you were looking for a place to add flowers, follow these instructions on cutting a plastic bottle and voila! Making your own vase is very easy sometimes. Here's how you can make some flowers using only corrugated paper. On to the next idea. Use the cap to create this shape and then cut out the marked parts. Beautiful art idea! Let us know your results when you make these. Decorative vases for flowers can be expensive sometimes. Follow these steps to make them yourself. For this next idea, we're doing a key accessory. It's easy to make. You will need yarn rope and cut the sides evenly. Looking pretty! You don't have to be a crafting expert to create beautiful DIY projects like this one. Making baskets using only a small part of plastic bottle can give you amazing results. There's so much satisfaction in making something with your own hands. Step by step, and we're almost coming to the end of this video. The best thing about these craft ideas is that you may already have all these materials at home. What do you think of these DIY ideas so far? Pick your favorite